In this video, I'll be showing you how to play Roblox without downloading anything straight from your browser. So all you need to do is head over to the website easyfun.gg. So this is a completely free and safe website that you can use to play Roblox without needing to download anything. So all you need to do is head over to the search box at the top and just search for Roblox. Click on the Roblox application and then hover over play on browser. Now you have two different options here. You can either play without an account and that allows you 30 minutes of playtime, or you can make a quick account on their website and it allows you up to 6 hours every single day of playtime. So I do recommend creating an account just for maximum playtime, but if you just want to try it quickly to see if it works, then we can click on the play 30-minute trial button here, and then all you need to do is go ahead and log into your account, and once you're logged in you can just go ahead and join any Roblox game as you would normally. Once you first load up a game, it may initially run quite slowly, so you need to give it a few minutes to render, and as you can see we're now able to play Roblox without needing to download anything. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.